It looks perfect. Does this mean he's coming soon? Look, there it is!
Our letter to Santa Paws.
Easy and set.
Nicely done, Papa.
Wow!
Look at that! Wow, we finished it! It looks delicious!
Yay! Let's eat the candy cane!
Faster, faster! Whee! This is so much fun!
Look closely, everyone. We must find that star.
I see it! It's right there in the snow! We found it!
We're off to the North Pole, singing all the way. A magical adventure on this snowy day.
Look, kids! The reindeer decorations!
Wow, they're beautiful.
And look! Snowman!
"'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. Gather close now, my little ones, and I shall tell you the tale of the Whispering Winds." Look, right here, Fluffy found the courage to face the giant. He puffed up his chest and let out the mightiest roar the kingdom had ever heard. Soon Santa Paws will be here, coming down the chimney with toys for all the good little kittens.
Wow, look at all the presents.
Merry Christmas, little ones!